Hello buddies, how are you all? This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Guys, I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. Here we will learn about Microsoft Excel from the very beginner level. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So today we are learning how to put names into proper case. If you need to clean up names that are not in a proper case, you can use a simple formula based on proper functions. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notifications from my channel. So at first we are going to open the Microsoft Excel software. Here it is, and I am going to run the OSK software also, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. I have created a file previously, so let's open that file. Here it is, friends. So if you have some data, some names like this format, that is totally in different case, usually we write in. So if you have to correct the case of that name, you can simply type the formula like this. You have to put the proper formula here. Write this carefully. Equals to PROPER, proper, equals to proper. Then open the first bracket. Then you have to put the text. Here either you can put the cell number here, or you can also put the text into double inverted comma here. So I am putting the cell number here, that is B5. Then close the bracket and simply hit the enter. Look here, friends, the case has been proper. And if you drag this formula here, you will get all the names in proper case in this cells. So let's see how this formula works. The proper function automatically reformats text so that all words are capitalized. At the same time, it lowercases all the other text. Friends, if you also need to strip out extra spaces in the names, you can wrap proper in the trim function. Like this, in this B8 cell, after the name alphas, we have 2 or 3 spaces here. So whenever we put the proper function here in the C8, the spaces are also included here. It looks so odd. If you need to trim that spaces also, you can simply use the formula with trim formula. Just put the formula trim here, TRIM, then open the bracket. I am doing it from the very first. Just type the formula like this, equals to trim, then first bracket open. You have to do proper the case also, so you can include the proper function here. write proper, PROPER, then again put the bracket on, then give the cell number here, then here you have opened two brackets, so close two brackets, then simply hit the enter button. Here it is, you got the result in proper and trim function. This will strip any leading and trailing spaces and convert run of spaces to a single space. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. See you soon guys. Thank you for watching. Please share your opinion and share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.